Hello, hello.
Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone is able to hear me and everyone is able to see my screen. Okay. If possible, can someone please confirm?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Mr. Debendra, this is a confidential, sir. Please don't mind. I'm not going to reveal that. It's a confidential information. Okay. Kindly don't mind. Thank you. Right. So, yesterday, what we discussed is typically we discussed about decomposition by subdomain. Okay. What do you mean by decomposition by subdomain? First of all, we decomposed by the business capabilities. How many business capabilities are there? Like that, we decompose that actually, right? So this is a way where we decomposed, and our friend Chaitanya also he did it on an e-commerce framework. Now we got a high level picture on what are the business capabilities are there, and we decomposed them based on the capability, but we cannot guarantee that every capability is a microservice. Every capability is a microservice. We cannot guarantee that, right? That's why we are having next level of drilling, sub drilling, where we are analyzing the uniqueness on each and every capability. We need to apply software and hardware and implementation and revenue. We need to apply these principles. Output of each service comes out from this exercise. We can refer as a microservice. As I yesterday discussed, actually, I have withdraw service is there. Withdraw service is there. The functionality of a withdraw service is we need to take the money from the bank account. The ultimate goal is update account table, set balance is equal to balance minus something, where account ID is equal to something. So that is the ultimate functionality of a withdraw service, right? Now, when I come to withdraw service, I have savings account withdraw service, current account withdraw service, joint account withdraw service. So our question is, can I have one withdraw service which contains these three functionalities, or can I have individually savings account withdraw service, current account withdraw service, like that? That's the point here, right? What is the reason here? I don't want single point of failure. Yes or no, sir? We don't want a single point of failure. If we have a problem in savings account withdraw service, it should not impact save current account withdraw service. That's the intention. I need it. Understand, right, guys? If I have a problem in savings account withdraw service, it should not impact the current account withdraw service. So, but as I mentioned here, we need to analyze the uniqueness by software, hardware, implementation, revenue. So when we comes to hardware, ATM machine we will use. Okay. If there is a problem on the ATM machine itself, so it will going to impact savings account, current account, joint account, everything it will impact it, right? I don't have a ATM machine. This ATM machine only savings account persons can operate. This ATM machine only current account. This ATM machine joint account. Or if the cashier in the bank, he is also hardware, I mean a person, right? If it doesn't comes to the bank, then all the services will be impacted, right? Okay. So in case of a hardware problem, even though you divide the services into different minute capability, but there is no business benefit. That's why after applying software, hardware and implementation and revenue, we can think of only withdraw service. We can think of only withdraw service. Under that, we can have a savings account functionality, current account functionality, joint account functionality. So that I don't have any possibility of individual services may be impacted. So that is what decomposing the application by subdomain. Okay. Also, in case of whatever yesterday's e-commerce framework, okay, order service is there, return service is there, as well as tracking service is also there. Yes or no, guys? Okay. Order service is there, return service is there, tracking service is there. By default, in the implementation side, there is a possibility that if there is a problem in return service, can order service will run? Yes. It's a different functional, implementation is different, completely implementation is different. If I have a problem in tracking, just like tracking number is 20 digit, but 10 digit I took, it's a purely problem with tracking service. So order service is a separate microservice, return service is a separate microservice, tracking service is a separate microservice. And we'll think of communication in upcoming patterns. On communication, we'll think of upcoming patterns. But as of now, order service, return service, tracking service, these three are completely different. If there is no impact on, if there is a problem in return service, but I can continue with order service. If I have a problem with tracking service, but I can continue with order service, right? So this is what I explained in yesterday's class, and I hope you everyone got a clarity. Decomposing by business capability, decomposing by subdomain. Understand? So before I proceed further, anyone has any questions as of now?
Sir, what is meaning by single point of failure?
Okay. You joined no, you're not joining daily, sir. If you don't mind, please don't mind. I'm sorry.
I joined, sir, but I have confusion on that.
No. Confusion means I can clear the confusion. Just my question is, you joined early or you are joining from the beginning? That's the only point.
After
Okay.
5 days, I.
Okay. That's why that is a problem here. I mean, okay. Let me explain. Single point
Sir,
of.
it's my first lecture.
For you, it's a first lecture?
Sir,
It's the third lecture, sir.
No. Both are talking, sir. Ansari and Ronak. So Ansari, I think it's a fourth or fifth, but Ronak, is it your first lecture?
yes, sir.
Okay. So let me ask you, answer. I mean, can I pronounce you as Ansari? Is that correct way of
Yes.
pronouncing your name?
Yes.
Yep. Thank you. So first of all, Ronak, do you?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to access the recording sessions of the previous
sir.
lectures?
Yes, sir.
Yes. My request is, can you go to once all the recording sessions, maybe 1 day, 2, 3 sessions, 2 day, 2, 3 day session, like that, so that you will get
Yeah,
a
sir,
complete idea.
already I started and I'll complete one
Okay,
and a half video.
super, super. Okay, and if possible, can you ask me the questions? Okay, whenever the class starts or ends or anything, anytime. Okay, if you have any queries in those classes, kindly let me know, sir. Okay,
Sure.
thank you. Now coming back to okay, like Ronak, are there any participant are there? Today is the first lecture or yesterday or anyone is there? Okay, that's good. Praveen.
Yeah, for me also second class, sir. I need to catch up
Okay,
other videos.
yeah. So my only humble request, sir, maybe you need to have a good time. Kindly please ensure that you have a good time, at least 5 to 6 hours. Okay, and watch all the videos, because these are the fundamentals, sir. They are very, very important, sir.
Right.
Okay,
Yeah, definitely.
so
Definitely we'll do that. Yeah.
but yeah, the maybe advantage you people have, you have advantage. Okay, uh, day after tomorrow we don't have class because of Mahashivratri, Saturday. Okay, a lot of
Right.
people will pray for God and not sleeping, right? So just like I am not recommending you watch the videos in the night, it's up to you. Okay, but day after tomorrow is a holiday and Sunday is a holiday, so 2 days are coming, you are getting extra 2 days, and you can easily complete within the time frame, so that fresh mind on Monday you'll have good things. Okay, it's my humble request, maybe you can follow that. Thank you. Right, now I'm talking up to single point of failure. This is what I'm talking here, single point of failure. So what is the meaning of single point of failure? Is, sir, I have a business. Okay, assuming that there is a banking business, sir. Okay, just like there is a banking business, I'm having a banking business, and I'm introducing a new offer on home loan. Assuming that banking is introducing a new offer on home loan. Okay, sir, I'm explaining single point of failure. The participants who doesn't have an idea, because it's an important point, I'm going to cover. I'll take 5 minutes only, not more than that. Other participants kindly don't mind. Okay, so please kindly bear with me who has an idea, because I need to take care of at least every participant should understand clearly. That is my intention. So in the banking sector, I'm introducing a new offer on home loan. Okay, the home loan is, whoever is applying the home loan from March 1 to March 10th, first 10 days, March 1 to March 10, whoever is home loan application is processed with the amount of 1 crore. Home loan amount is 1 crore, and the March 1 to March 10th, then they will get a home loan rate of interest rebate on home loan rate of interest. That's the code. Okay, so we added a new code on a home loan calculation point of view. Some rules: the home loan starting date and the processing end date should be March 1 to March 10, and the home loan amount is 1 crore. Then they will get a rebate on percentage, home loan percentage. Okay, for example, the developer who wrote the code, he has taken local computer time zone. On which computer I am applying home loan, right? That local computer time zone he has taken, rather than server time zone. Okay, there is a problem in that code. The person who wrote the code, there is a problem. Now with that glitch or with that problem, even though today March 15th, I can change my local time zone to March 2nd or 3rd, and I can create my home loan. So there's a big problem. Now It's a very big concern. I need to do a code change. I need to do a code change. But whenever I'm applying, there is a problem where actually I have a problem in a home loan. The failure is at a single point. Understand? The failure is at a single point. That is at a home loan. Failure is at a single point, home loan. I'm sorry. 1 second. Yeah, I'm sorry. So the failure is at a single point. But to correct that problem, I need to stop the entire application, because our entire things are packaged in a single unit. I don't have a separate unit called home loan. I need to package everything into a single unit. Okay. I need to apply a var or a whatever it may be. I need to delete the old content. I need to keep the new content. I need to start it. So a problem in single unit, it's completely disturbing my entire business. A problem in a single point. A problem in the single point disturbing the entire unit. So that is single point of failure. The reason is, in a business, nowadays business, right? Everyday requirement change will come, and everyday business rules will change, right? With that, we may get lot of changes in business, and a change in one business functionality should not impact the other business units. If I have a problem in home loan, I can go to savings account, I can go to current account, I can go to locker service, I can take the NEFT service, lot of other services I can take it, right? Understand? So this is a high level picture on a single point of failure. I hope, Ansar, you got it.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Any other questions from anyone as of now, guys? Perfect. Right. Now we'll come back to, sir, on a business domain, subdomain. We'll apply this principle and we'll come back to us. We'll get back and we'll come back to this. How many microservices we can have? How many microservices we are going to have? First one will take accounts. Okay? We'll take accounts, sir. Can someone tell me accounts apply software, hardware, implementation, revenue on this particular box? Can someone come with list? Can someone come with list, guys? Yes or no, guys? Yeah. Maybe I'll take banking, banking domain, microservices. Okay. Banking domain, microservices. So the first scenario, accounts. Sir, related to accounts, can I have Account service as separate, savings account as separate service, current account as separate service, joint account as a separate service, fixed deposit as a separate service, locker as a separate service, demat as a separate service. This is the point here.
We can have single service for all of this.
We can have a single service for all of this. Any other thoughts? So what is the point, sir? Software, hardware, implementation, revenue. Savings account, current account. Correct, right? Savings account, current account. Is there any possibility that account opening, savings account almost same functionality, current account almost same functionality? Okay? Yes or no, guys? Same
Yes, sir.
functionality. Account opening is same functionality. Fixed deposit is also almost the same functionality.
Almost, can say.
So I am thinking that savings account, current account, fixed deposit, almost all having same functionality. But what about joint account? Joint account is completely different functionality. Joint account is completely different functionality. Right? The business rules will change. Locker is also a separate functionality altogether. Implementation is different. Demat, trading account, that is also a complete different functionality. So I mean, that is, you need to have an idea on the business. That's what I told, right? Whenever we are composing, we are applying a decomposition pattern, you need to know end-to-end business. In my perspective, okay, inside account service, one microservice, account microservice, it has an internal capability of savings account, okay, current account, savings account, yeah, savings account, current account, as well as savings account, current account, fixed deposit. I can have this because all are same functionality, guys. I can say that account microservice is a separate microservice, and I can have, what is the other functionality of what is the other functional element? Joint account. Because there are 2 person or 3 person should have, and the 2 person should sign it. I mean, especially companies or a business should have joint accounts, right? Completely joint account process is completely different. The code is also completely different. Implementation is also completely different, right? So joint account is a separate microservice. Joint account service. Understand, sir? Getting right? Third one is what? Demat service. Because this account should be created with the stock market. National Stock Exchange or Bombay Stock Exchange, a trading account should be created at them. external service communication. Am I right? The other accounts are only within the bank, but demat service should communicate with external services also. This is also a complete different functionality. I can come up with what 3 microservices in account microservice, joint microservice, demat service. If I have a problem in demat service, can I work on accounts? Yes. If I have problem in joint account, can I work on other accounts? Yes. If I have problem in accounts itself, but joint account is possible, demat is also possible. So I am a separate microservice and 3 independent units. Sir, forget about database, sir. As of now, please don't worry about. Sir, all the data will be sitting in one database or not. Forget about it. It's our implementation. But from business point of view, we need to think. We need to think from business point of view. Am I right, guys? Do you have any questions on the first division part? Is everyone is clear? Is everyone is clear on the first division part, guys? Please don't mind.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, one question.
Please.
Usually, right, when we talk about accounts in this, I mean, the capabilities, we mentioned that creation, updation, and deletion.
Perfect.
Transactions, I understand, but when we talk about creation of these accounts, right, usually they are same, right? We do KYC, we submit the documents, so and then I mean, what the capability of that account, it is different, and then why not like have a different business layer for all the capabilities of this, and then we'll stick to only creation, updation, or modification of these accounts in this service, in the account service.
So you mean to say that why we are dividing joint account why we are taking joint account as a separate service, demat as a separate service? Why can't I take all are in one service? That is your question?
Yeah, because I mean, when we divided the subdomains of the sub capabilities, we talked about creation, updation, and deletion, and usually they are the same, right? We do KYC.
No, right? No, right? Joint account creation is completely different to savings account. The business flow is different. That's why you need to have end-to-end idea on business. This business joint account is what, sir? We'll start with for a company. Savings account is for individual. Current account is a small company. That to a particular joint account is completely different. 2 persons should come to the bank. 2 signatures should be there. It's completely different. Creating a joint account and creating a savings account is completely different. And demat account is completely different. Forget about now you come to KYC. In case of savings account, 1 KYC is sufficient. In case of joint account, the KYC with all the active participants in the business. So implementing savings account is a different. Implementing joint account is a different in my perspective. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Clear? Yeah. Next. Next, home loan, guys. Sorry, loans. Here loans is a coming to the picture. So every capability is different, right, guys, for me? Every capability is different for me, right? In case of loans, personal loan, home loan, mortgage loan, gold loan, vehicle loan. Do you feel all the capabilities are same? Are different? In case of loans, what exactly our microservices? What exactly our flow of microservices in case of loans? I feel that personal loan is a different flow. It is mainly for salaried employed, and bankers will give a loan on the person's income. Home loan is a separate process where bankers will give the home loan based on property. Mortgage loan is also related to property. Gold loan, completely gold verification, gold purity, percentage of amount. Vehicle loan, right? Now, when it comes to this particular functionality, guys, okay, when it comes to this particular functionality, loans, okay, I can come up with a list. First list is what? Personal loan service. Because personal loan service, this loan one second, guys. This loan, not getting that. Okay. Personal loan service, loan on guaranteed income. Loan on guaranteed income, right? Next one is, can I think this is a separate service, guys? Yes or no, guys? Home loan on property. I can merge home loan, mortgage loan. Same capabilities only. These are the property on home. Home loan is for new construction, mortgage loan for existing construction, renovation. Loans are same on the property. Okay. Loans are same on the property wise. Now, can we apply this principle? Software, hardware, implementation. Software point of view, all maximums are home loan and mortgage loan. Is it a construction or renovation or whatever it may be? The only principles will change. But loans, property, verification, legal verification, technical verification, 80% of the capability is matching. 80% of the capability is matching. Maybe one worst case is, for example, I have a advocate who has an expert on property. I have an advocate that's a hardware, assuming that just like a advocate. Legally, is it a new property or existing property? Legally, he need to verify. If that legal verification is having a problem, then home loan will be impacted, mortgage loan also will be impacted. Technical calculation, how much loan we can give on this property? Is it a newly constructed? Is it a old constructed? Technically, if something problem is there, both loans are impacted. So I can say that loan on property is a separate microservice under which home loan and mortgage loan will come. Will you agree with that actually? So if there is a problem in home loan, mortgage loan will also be impacted. But if there is a problem in mortgage loan, home loan will be impacted. But we need to see the percentage of impacts. But we need to see the percentage of impacts. If there is a problem in legal, ideally both should be impacted. If there is a problem in technical, both should be impacted. If there is a problem on a hardware point of view, definitely properties or two loans are related to property. That's why we no need to worry about that. So I'm taking a loan on property as a separate microservice. Under that I can categorize, under that I can take home loan and mortgage loan. Is it clear, guys? Any questions here? Next, loan on vehicle. It's a separate, all things, car loan, all vehicles loan. This is a separate factor altogether. This is altogether separate factor, right? This, yes or right? Next, loan on gold. This is also a separate factor. No impact on others. Business functionality is different and everything is different. Okay. Now, for any loan, sir, either it's a personal loan or a property loan or a vehicle loan or a gold loan, they should have an account, right? So this loan service will talk to account service also to get a loan creation. Okay. So what I'm writing here, a principle I'm writing here, note. What I'm going to write here, a principle I'm going to write. All loans requires an account. Hence, loans capability should communicate with accounts capability. That is services communication. But we cannot write the same code over here also. It's a separate capability. Okay, understand, right? Sir, any questions here from anyone? Everyone is clear? Any questions so far? Right. Now, fine. Remaining things we'll see, guys. But next time, the available time, I think almost all 15 to 20 minutes I have. I want to take some introduction, guys, because almost batch is freezed and everything is freezed. Okay. I want to take some introduction point, guys, here. What I am looking is from each and every individual. Okay. From every individual, guys. What is your current technical stack? I mean, if you are currently a developer or a senior developer or an architect or something like that, are you working professional or not? Okay, maybe I'll rephrase my question. Are you working professional? If you are working professional, what is your current technical stack? Okay. This is the first point here. I don't need anyone's company's name. I don't need anyone project name. I don't need any personal details. My name is so and so. I'm a working professional. And in the current technical stack, you can mention your years of experience. Okay, this is the first point I looking. Reason for joining this course. What is the reason? What motivates you to join this particular course? Okay. Expectation after the completion of this course. Any other expectations after the completion of the course? For example, reason, I want to change my job, and lot of people are asking design patterns, and I was not able to crack the interview. That's why I joined this. Maybe expectation is I need to crack a job. I need to definitely look for a change. Or else I am interested towards the system design and I need some kind of design experience. The expectation is upcoming days I may become an architect in my company and I can use the knowledge whatever I'm getting from this session, I can use in my real time. These are the some examples I can give. And if you have any other additional information also apart from this, you can just add. Okay, I hope you got some small introduction from everyone, guys. Okay, I'll start with one by one, guys. Okay, kindly please feel free, if at all if you feel that maybe this is why I am asking is I need to have an idea from each and every individual from where the current technology stream and how our upcoming classes should go further. That is the point here. Actually, I should take an initial class itself, but as it's a new batch and the concept is also a new and the course content is also a new and separate things are for this particular batch. That's why once the batch is freezed, I have taken this. Okay, right. Maybe on alphabetical order, I'll go one by one, guys. Ansari.
Yeah, hi, my name is Jainul Ansar, and I have approximately 7 years of experience. Why I joined this course? Because in most of the interviews they are asking design microservice design pattern questions, and my expectation is to have a good grip on that. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Next, Devendra De.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
So I am having almost 8 years of experience. So my current stack is Spring Boot, RESTful web services, microservices also. And I want to get into more details about the microservices so that I can implement in my project.
Okay, thank you. Dialer. So, yeah.
Hi teacher, my name is Delior. I'm from Uzbekistan. My technical stack Java Spring Boot. I have 4 years experience. Why joining this course? Because I want to improve my design skills. And after that, this course, I want to design microservice architecture I am expecting.
Thank you. Thank you, really. Yeah.
Thank
Deepak
you.
Patil.
Hi Vijay. Hi Vijay.
Yeah, hi.
I'm Deepak Patil. I have 5 years of experience. Currently, I'm working in Java, Spring Boot, REST API. And why I joined this course? Because I have basic knowledge of microservices, and I wanted to learn the design pattern microservices so that I can work in upcoming days in microservices related projects also. Yeah, that's all.
Yeah, thank you. Harsh.
Yeah, hi sir. Good morning. I'm a Java backend developer,
What is your
Spring
name,
Boot.
sir? What is your name?
Harshvardhan.
Harshan.
Harshvardhan.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, I'm Java backend developer. 3 year of experience. I just want to upskill myself and want to be able to design the architecture level thing. That's the kind of skill I wanted. Also some how the business rule affects the design. I want to understand that angle as well to upskill myself. These are the reason and expectations as well.
Yeah. So Harshavardhan brought a good, very, very good point, sir. A business decision, how it impacts our architecture. Right, sir? It's a very good point, and that is the outcome from this course, guys. But you cannot learn maximum things here. On a microservices, you will come to know, but on an old architecture, will not come to know. But one business decision, okay, it may impact the functional elements. That is what you need to think of. Okay, good point. Yeah. Vaishnav.
Sir, Harshvardhan Vaishnav is my name.
Oh, you joined in two places?
No.
Okay. No. I think you renamed just now. Okay.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Chaitanya.
Yeah, hello sir. I'm Chaitanya. I have a total of 7 years experience. I'm currently working as a tech lead in mainframe technologies, but not limited to mainframe. We do have a lot of Java and cloud work. The reason I joined this course is we are planning to, or we already started modernizing the mainframe applications. Then I wanted to have a better understanding of the architecture of the microservices so that we can have good conversations with architects.
So, surprising factor. I'm just like a little bit. Maybe first of all, if it is confidential, kindly ignore. Okay, you are a mainframe guy, and completely the mainframe technology is completely different. The principles are different. Okay, we cannot completely comply microservices principles in mainframe. Okay.
Yeah.
So what is the advantage? Maybe you want to change your career to Java or any other technical skill where it is having microservice architecture, or you want to continue with my mainframe domain itself.
Okay, the system is designed in such a way that 50% of the system is in mainframe and then 50% is in Java. I'm already working as a Java developer for the past 3 years. So we are planning to modernize the other 50% as well into.
Okay. That I was a little bit okay. Now, how the current system is communicating, sir? Java through mainframe. What is the architecture in between that?
Yeah, so we have in mainframe there is a possibility to do SOAP calls to external systems other than other servers. So we currently do that
So
from mainframe. Yeah, SOAP-based. Yeah.
SOAP-based services, right?
Yes.
So are you not using any event-driven like
Yeah,
queuing?
we use IBM
MQs.
and then RabbitMQs.
Okay. So if I understand correctly, some call SOAP calls, some call queuing. That is how you are communicating.
Correct. There are APIs.
Java.
Again, I mean, same under SOAP itself.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Sorry to ask more, but that yeah. Next, Krishna.
Yeah. Hi, sir. Good morning. So having 11 years of experience and as well as the technical stack is like a Java and a Spring Boot. Currently, I'm working in an insurance domain product. So currently, we are thinking to convert whatever we implemented the services, the Spring Boot with the Jersey implementation. So we are thinking to convert into microservices. So that's the reason I joined this course. The expectation is to implement the microservices. So that's the reason I asked you one question, like a 12 design principle, right?
Correct. Yeah.
That's the main objective here. So.
Okay. So one question I have here. Now, already you had a Spring Boot microservices. I mean, you already have a Spring Boot with the Jersey implementation. That's what you meant.
Right.
You meant.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
Is it on a monolithic architecture?
Yes. Yeah, it's a monolithic. So whole services I mean to say in insurance also we have like a subdomain services like
Correct.
underwriting, premium calculation. These are the services we have, but all the things we are in one place.
Okay.
So we are
Yeah.
thinking to segregate these services.
Yeah. So
So
you are having a monolithic architecture and you are going up towards to microservices. Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
and also
Yeah.
in our product, whatever we are using, that's pure all Java specifications only. So they
Okay.
never depends on directly on the Spring or something. I mean to
Okay.
say, you got my point, right? The
Yeah, I got
Jersey
it.
is so that also we implemented through Spring Boot, but Spring Boot is the implementation. The API is JAX-RS.
Yeah, I got it.
That's the
So I
reason.
think definitely this is a course will help you, sir. Definitely in
Yeah.
that lines, this course will help you. So maybe it's a good point. Whenever we take, now I take an example of home loan, these, right? We'll take insurance domain also one example. Maybe we will get experience from you on the terms, on the insurance domain words, right? So that
Sure.
you'll feel I mean something, a new perspective, we will also get it. Okay. So maybe in this case, right, guys, it's a better idea is because this batch is altogether new batch, sir. It's a new idea, new design. It's also a new how to make our sessions more and more collaborative. Just like we will take some examples on insurance, and you are the real-time guy who worked on insurance. Okay.
Right.
And you have some thoughts. And if you discuss those thoughts in that, then everyone will get advantage, and also you can discuss your own domain. Then it's easy. Okay, thank you, really thank you, guys. Yeah. Next. Yeah. Javed. Muhammad Farooq Javed. Maybe I'll take later. Ramesh.
Yeah, hi sir. Hi sir,
Hi.
this is Ramesh. I'm working in some company. It's a MNC. Currently working with the technical stack that is a Spring Boot, Spring Data API, and Spring REST also. So for total, I'm having here 8 years of experience. And why I'm joining in this course means currently I'm looking for the change, means switching the company. So yeah, that is the reason I was joined here. So one request from my side, if possible, can you provide notes in the notepad, sir? So that
Yeah,
would be a helpful for referring the notes.
sure, definitely. No, but is it okay it died like this, or you don't completely
Yeah,
on the notepad? I mean,
yeah, that
the
is.
only point is, if I write in notepad, right, sir? Okay, the impression, the look and feel, you may not get like that. Maybe it's up
Yeah,
to discussion. It's up to a discussion. We'll take it. Okay. Anything is, sir, I need to write somewhere else. Is it a notepad or a paint or I mean this UI? Okay, right. That's fine. I'll take it. I will discuss on this. Okay. I don't want to try. Javed, I think you started. Muhammad Farooq Javed. Just now you started. Is there any problem? I don't know. Muhammad Farooq Javed. Okay, fine. There is a one more participant, Ramesh.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hi, and good morning. Yeah, I am Ramesh. I have the totally 9 years of experience. So currently I'm working with Java, Spring Boot, and Microservices. So, so to join this course is my primary. So in future, I want to become an architect. So currently I'm working as a tech lead. So to learn the for the design principle purpose, I am joining this course. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Rashmi Ranjan Mahanti. Rashmi Ranjan Mahanti. Are you there? Rashmi Ranjan. Okay. Ronak.
Hello, sir. My name is Ronak Chaudhary, and sir, I have a hardly 2.3 year of experience, and my current technology stack is EJB and Spring Boot, and reason to join for changing the job and eager to learn the new things.
Still EJBs are there? It's
No, sir. Actually,
surprising.
I changed my job, so I'll join the one product-based company. So they are using the some of the services on EJB. So
Mm-hmm. Okay. So you need to understand EJB's code and converting into Spring Boot. Is that what your
no,
current
no, no, sir.
Mm.
In mainly EJB code are maintenance mode and working on the new things in Spring Boot.
Okay. Okay. So no migration on EJB to microservices. It's a
Yes,
let it run as it own. Any new requirement comes, that will go with micros. That is what. Okay. Right. Got it.
yes.
Satyam.
Yeah, hi, sir. Good morning. So currently, I'm working on tech stack like Spring Boot, microservices, Spring Data API, and my reason for joining this course is to have some means add on the knowledge on this design patterns. I'm not aware about any of the design patterns. Just a basic microservice I have and to enhance the knowledge on that and in perspective of system design also like in future uh, in any company if we means I got any role of technical architecture so there I can use this knowledge just to enhance my knowledge. I have joined this course, so
Yep. Thank you.
yeah, thank you, sir.
Sheikh Taj. Taj, I hope I'm not able to hear Taj.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Yeah, yeah, no, yeah.
I'm Taj. My technical stack is microservices and Spring Boot. Currently, we are developing the project by using microservices and Spring Boot. My experience is 3 years, sir. Nowadays, I want to change my company. I'm attending interviews. So there, I got a question. Okay, what are the design patterns you are implemented in your project? So microservices design patterns they asked about. Okay, I said okay, I don't know about these design patterns. Okay, simply I answered as a microservice itself is a design pattern. So I don't I answered like this. So then he answered that okay, the microservice is not a design. It's a design pattern, but there also in application we have to implement different design patterns. Those are API gateway and the Eureka registry, like that he explained. Then I got okay, microservices design patterns also will be there. Okay, at the spot I got this course name and immediately I joined here.
Okay. Thanks,
Uh,
ma'am. Thanks for the good explanation, really. Yep. Anything you want to add, ma'am, or you're done?
I'm done with my expectation is nothing but you are more experienced and you are teaching well. So my expectation, I don't have any idea on this, so I don't have any expectation from this. Up to now, I'm okay with this class, and your explanation is also good. And if I am having any technical new words and all these things, okay, I want to clarify from you. Okay, can I
Definitely.
get this
Yes,
support?
yes. Yeah, it's a I mean, I enjoy the class, madam, like that only. For example, today, one of the participants mentioned single point of failure, right?
Yeah.
He don't, so he immediately asked and yeah. So, Mr. Vinod, can you go on mute actually? I'm not sure why you always on unmute. Vinod, only Vinod. Okay. Kindly please make sure you are always on mute. Okay. So, ma'am, I think Taj, I think so. It's a very honor, and always whenever you get a new word, okay, it's your responsibility because I don't know, right? Whether everyone, because I cannot go to individual, right? It's your responsibility. I didn't know this. Can you give more context so that I'll explain that? Okay. So always kindly don't worry about the timelines and kindly don't worry about anything. If you don't know, understand, let me know. Okay. If in your real time, just I want to add here, guys, for everyone, in your real time, you have any challenges also, just share your experiences here. And if we have any breakthrough, we will help you, or else I'll keep you updated if we get any ideas. Okay. Just like this forum will bring a good discussion where everyone will enjoy and will get a new perspective of, and definitely it will give you add on. Okay. Yes, Mr. Vinod, your turn.
Yeah. Hi team. Good morning. Yeah. Currently, I am working on Java and integration using Mule USB, Kafka, and Spring Boot microservices. Uh, in terms of years of experience, I have around 12 plus years of experience. The reason for joining this course mainly to while I am attending the interviews, they are asking a more in-depth of microservices design pattern, how you will apply, and that is the reason I joined this course. And expectation after completion of this course, I want to in-depth knowledge on design pattern, how to use and how to apply uh, in our system, in the while we are doing architect design a system, how to apply, which are the design pattern. That is what I'm expecting in the current course. Yeah, that's it from my side.
It's a very good explanation, Mr. Vinod. I hope you got clarity, and definitely we go into it. Okay. I hope I didn't miss anyone. Did I miss anyone, sir, by mistake? Only two participants, guys. Rashmi Ranjan Mahanti. Are you still there? If at all, if you're not able, I mean, maybe you connected and going off. And one participant mentioned that he has a mic problem. Javed. Kindly please make sure that Javed, okay? I'm still saying Rashmi Ranjan Mahanti. Is there any problem? Okay, that's fine. Okay, sir. Yep. Tomorrow we'll apply these things some more time, and we'll start a new pattern strangler. Okay. And all the participants who joined for recently, kindly please watch all my videos. Okay. And in the notes, guys, yesterday I have mentioned PPT. So the only expectation is I need to zip the PPT, I need to attach it, and you need to download. You can unzip. Okay. That's the point where we are having. Okay. Next one is on the notes point of view, guys. It's a collective decision, guys. Which one you prefer? Is it a notepad plus plus? I mean notepad, or a document, or something like that? This Excalibra, or any other? I mean, just like I need to write a notes here. It's a running notes. Which one you prefer, guys?
Sir,
Yeah, this is fine.
Sir, whatever tool you are using, that is not going to affect the content, right?
Content also we can write here. We can write the content here.
Yeah.
Right?
So in that context, you can articulate and decorate the things more in a notepad. So sorry, in the paint compared to notepad. So that would be more easy to grasp, I think.
Yeah, that's what I mean. This notepad is, if you see here, anything I can write here in the notepad. Okay. Maybe is notepad is, I mean, just like some people are asking me notepad or paint, whatever it may be. Can we only use paint for diagrams and running notes notepad? Is that correct? That is what you mean to say that?
Sir, the content, whatever the content is gonna be same, right? You will be writing the same thing in notepad or paint, right?
Correct. I can do anything. Yes.
So having those things as a images in the device will be very easy to access compared to Notepad, and it'll be very easy to do the revision. We can even carry those images in the phone from the Paint, so that will be more handy and more illustrative, I guess, compared to Notepad.
Okay. Any other thoughts, guys? I think what I agree with Harsha, because coloring, combination, look and feel, and easily we can open and everything. Because one of the parts mentioned to have a notepad, this I told that I mean, just like we'll okay. I think this is a better, I guess. Okay, we'll add anything, guys. Okay. Yeah. Okay, fine. Thanks. We here today. So tomorrow we have a class. Day after tomorrow we don't have, sir, because of the festival. Because okay, kindly utilize the opportunity whoever joined newly. Okay. Thanks everyone, guys. Have a great day. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.